So today I'm going to show you why this is the only weight distribution hitch you should buy. This has the sway control built into it, and it's very easy to set up. So let's get started. So first off, this is the only thing you need to install on your trailer. This part right here. It clamps right to your frame, and your sway control hooks right into here. This is it. That's all you're hooking up. The rest of it is your hook to the truck. So we'll hook it up to the truck and show you how easy it is to install this. So when you get this thing out, you just take it, shove it into your hole. I always leave the pin in so it doesn't go all the way in. Then I can work it in where I need it to. Pin it. And open the V. Take the pin out of your trailer. Then back it up. Back this up to where it's under there. By the way, never set these down, because the minute you set it down, you're going to forget about it, and you're going to forget to hook it back up. So never set these things down. Always keep them in your hand. If you forget to hook it up, then you have a loose trailer on you. So now we're going to back the truck up and hook everything up. All right, so we're backed up. Put this down on it. I give it a little push. Another little push. Come on, go on there. There you go. Pin it. Now jack it up. I could get an electric one, but it's not that bad. All right, it's jacked up. You're gonna take this thing. I'll show you on the other side. All right. So when you're jacked up, pull that pin, pull this out. That's gonna go on top of there. This goes into that little groove. Pop. Very easy. Pop that down. Repin it. So that's all done. Then put the pressure back down. And that is it. That's all it takes. These have a friction plate right here, so that's your sway control. It's going friction back and forth, so if you ever get sway, this is going to rub against steel to steel and give you your friction point. This is your weight distribution. It puts your even load on the front of your truck and the tires, so it gives a good job in weight distributing. And like I said, that is it. There's no complexity to this system. You saw how quick it is to install. I don't have to have a separate sway control bar up here. And the biggest benefit, when you're backing this thing up into your spot, you don't have to unhook it. If you put one of those sway control bars up here, you have to unhook them because they're going to break. They're going to break your system. So this one, I can back up, I can go forward, I can do whatever I want. It's not going to break anything. It's designed to back up. So win-win on this. You can see on the other sway controls, they'll break if you're backing them up. So this is definitely the one to get. I list this on my website. I list all the types for all the weight capacities. So go check it out. Now we're going to show you how fast it is to disconnect everything, just as fast. All right, so we're going to put the weight back on it. All right, weight's back on. Pull the pin, pull this out. That drops down. Replace these. Now do the same on the other side. Pull the pin, pull that out, pop that off. Put the pin back in, crank this back down. And I guess if you had an electric one, this would be a lot easier. But I'm very, very cheap. All right, weight's off. Pop the pin. Keep that in your hand too. Pull it back. Crank it back up. A little higher. All right, I'm gonna drive forward. Shut this down, put the pin back in. Always have this and this in your hand. That way you don't accidentally sit it down and lose it. So always keep them in your hand. All right, so you come in, put these together, pull your pin, pull this side. Now we like to roll it forward a little bit. That way the weight's still here. You can repin it. You take it off, and that's it. So I actually list these on my website. They are a little bit more, just maybe like 5% more than a typical weight distribution hitch. But the convenience of what they provide is worth the 5%, I think, because you don't have to hook up multiple devices. There's not multiple devices to forget about. It's easy to hook up, easy to take off. Just a good tool. And they have it for multiple different weight categories. And like I said, I list these on my website. You can see the website in the details of this video. So we'll see you next video.